Hello YouTube users, once again this is your boy W. This is my fifth and final video in regards to the new muffler exhaust system that I have on my 2008 Porsche GTS. I have the exhaust system once again done by Bill's Radiator and Muffler shop located in Plano, Texas. First, I'd like to say the guys were very easy to work with, great customer service, and the exhaust work, as you've seen from my prior post video clips, was done extremely well, and also within a time of 2.5 hours doing the modification work. And this video, I'm gonna give you guys an example of what the new sound of this work has produced. So stay tuned for a second. Okay, YouTube users, there it is, the final product. As you can see, or as you heard, the sound of my new sound exhaust system is unbelievable. Once again, the application calls for a Fabspeed secondary cats bypass system. From there, we connected it to a 3-inch all the way back pipe to 3-inch Magnaflow dual exhaust mufflers, universal mufflers. The mufflers are 14-inch, and we utilize the factory tips, which are very nice and rounded out the complete overall application. So if you're looking to do any modification regarding your exhausts on your Porsche Cayenne and you live in the North Texas area, I highly recommend you going to Bill's Radiator and Muffler shop off of 14th Street in Plano, Texas. By the way, I did consult or inquire or get quotes from 2 other overpriced muffler shops. One in Watoga, Kenny's Mufflers, and also another one, Ken's Mufflers, out of Wiley, Texas. Price points were out of this world, and the time they needed to have the vehicle was anywhere from a day to a day and a half, and these guys only took about 2.5 hours, and voila, here we are. Anyway, enjoy. Cheers.